So this is a faulty glow plug. As you can see, the voltage is just jumping around. Obviously I'm doing this one-handed and it's not easy, but yeah, the reading should be 1.5 to 1 on these particular glow plugs. You can find online what the reading should be, and that's how you know if they're faulty or not. So there we go. These are way off the scale. 44 point, well, there, nearly 50 ohms in some cases there. But yeah, that just shows you how faulty that one is. So there you go. Now we're going to test the ones that are in the engine, and there's two ways of doing that. One is to take them out and do the same test, and one is to leave it in, but I'll show you both ways now. So we've got the multimeter set on ohms on 200, and I've removed one of the glow plugs already. So you need your positive on there and your negative on there. Doing this one-handed is not easy, but I'm going to put, because that happens. So let's try that again, and it should read about 1 ohm, 1 to 1.5, and that looks quite good to me. It's settled at 1.1. Just take it off, put it back on again. 1.1, that's about right for a glow plug. It's gone down to 1, so that's okay, that's fine. So another way of doing it without removing the glow plug is to connect your negative probe to your battery. Find somewhere for it to sit, maybe. There we go. And then while it's in the engine, touch the positive terminal, and you should start getting a reading. So there you go. That's another way of doing it. I figure it's better to take them out and do them individually, but there you go. Top tip for today: testing your glow plugs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.